Hi, it is great to see you today. We are talking about something brand new that I am offering, and I'm so excited and I want you to be there. It's called Pilates Camp. Now, let me tell you about it. So when you think of camp, what do you think of? Fun, late nights, hanging out with your friends, trying new things, being adventurous, leaving with a feeling of just being full and wanting to go back out into the world with that fullness. So that's what I think of when I think of this Pilates camp. It's an online free program that we're doing for 1 week. So the first week of September, September 1st through September 8th, it will be Pilates camp, meaning you get one workout per day straight to your inbox. And these are workouts that you cannot find on YouTube or anywhere online. These are just for people who sign up for Pilates camp. So each day for 7 days, I'm going to send a workout straight to your inbox, as well as little tips and tricks and thoughts just for people in this first round of Pilates camp. And then we're also going to have a private Facebook group where we can all come and encourage each other, talk about the workouts for the day, ask questions. And I really want this to be a place that you can take that next step, because I love having you here. I love hearing from all of you who find me on YouTube, who feel supported by the workouts, who feel that you are getting stronger, but also that you start to believe in yourself. That's so important and so encouraging to me. So this is a great place to start, but let's take it the next step. I really want to help you kind of get over that next hump so that that feeling of encouragement and support and strength starts to become habit for you in your life, so that the workouts become a little more inspired and you feel more motivated, that you wake up wanting to move, that you have less pain, that you feel more strength and belief in your body. I want all those things for you. And this is a way that we can do it, because we can really dive in deep. The workouts are very specifically created to help you hit each kind of body part, each muscle group, and then also give you a full workout for that week, so you can see what basically it's like for when I work out at home. So I would love to have you there. Again, it's September 1st through September 8th. Now, you're probably wondering how to get involved. I am going to put a link below. So just look below and you'll see the link to sign up. So what'll happen is on September 1st, you are going to get that first email workout sent directly to your inbox. So make sure you sign up before then so that you are ready to go. If you happen to watch this between September 1st and September 8th, you can still come sign up. Come join us and you can just jump in late. We are shutting it down September 8th, but listen, if you're watching it outside of that time, if this is after September 8th, 2019, still go to the link below and sign up, and you'll be put on the wait list for the next one we do. I don't have dates. I can't promise when it's going to be, so try to get into this one. But if you miss it, you can definitely go to that link and you'll be on the wait list for the next, so you get all the details. So again, go below, sign up, make sure that info@jessicavallantpilates.com, that email address is listed as safe in your email provider so that you don't miss anything that comes from me. And I would love to have you there. Let's have the biggest, best, most fun and inspirational Pilates camp that they have ever seen. And you can make that happen. I will see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavallantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.